Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. There is a big news which is coming here from Accenture. Accenture has finally decided to hire, and this time Accenture is hiring through Superset profile. Okay, so Accenture always used to hire from their official website, but for 2026 batch they have decided to hire from particular Superset platform, and this is happening on campus, so you will be able to get the link from your TPU itself. If you are from 2026 batch, then please join the Telegram group which is specifically dedicated for 2026 and 2027, and also join the WhatsApp group. Okay friends, all 2026 and 2027 information will be shared in this group so that you will not miss anything. Now for 2025 batch, if you are 2025 batch and watching this video, friends, I would like to tell you, you please wait. 2025 hiring by Accenture has not happened, and this will soon be starting. Right now, please do not go and apply on any of the platform which you see, either on their website or somewhere you see. Okay, now so friends, Accenture is hiring for associate software engineer and advanced associate software engineer. So the package will lie between 4.5 to 8 lakhs per annum. Right here you could see. So the role is associate software engineer and advanced associate software engineer. Okay, and the job is open for the application. You can apply before 12th of September. That is already gone, but the thing is, Accenture has started their hiring process for different colleges, different dates they will be coming on, and you will have to apply through the Superset profile. Okay, so general engineering job CTC 4.5 to 8 lakhs per annum. Okay, and here if you'll see, dear students, so please find the below mentioned email regarding the campus placement drive by Accenture as per the details mentioned below. So CTC 4.C, here you could see you can apply, right? Okay, job profile associate software engineer and advanced associate software engineer, BE BTech all branches, ME MTech all branches, MSc all branches, MCA all branches. Okay, and integrated BE ME BTech MTech BE BTech MCA. PAN cards, all students must submit a PAN cards which has their photo. This is mandatory and the only identity proof needed during our registration process. So this is Accenture always do that. PAN cards made when students was a minor will not be entertained. If provided, candidates will be rejected from the process. Okay, e-PAN card is accepted. Candidates can refer to the instructions available in the help link on the registration page. We will not consider. Okay, so this is more regarding PAN card, and then we have something regarding your laptop desktop. Okay friends, one thing which I would like to tell you, for the first thing what you do is subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you will not miss any update. And Accenture crash course, see, Accenture syllabus is, we have reasoning, we have pseudocode, we have availability, we have cloud and networking, we have coding, right? And then we have MS application like MS Excel, MS Office, so this kind of questions, and plus 10 free mock test you will be getting it. Okay, so and also this coding is so much sufficient that even advanced section of Accenture advanced associate software engineer, you will be able to crack it. And now so Python, C++ and Java, all three we have the videos, okay, which will help you to prepare for the exams. Okay, so Accenture crash course, latest pattern plus 10 free mock test. Friends, see, every opportunity 2025 batch, what they did not take things seriously in the beginning. Okay, so when we talk about the course, everyone thinks we are doing the advertisement. See, advertisement is one thing. Okay, definitely if we have some course which is useful for you and which has been already bought by many people, then see, if you go and see, I think they display somewhere. Okay, how many people have, I think when you go there, then you will be able to see how many people have bought the courses. But anyway, so that if something is useful, then we will bring it. You see the content from outside, you go and click on the content. If you feel it is good for you, okay, it will help you, then you go ahead and buy. Otherwise, no problem. See, I don't want you to regret later that because of one single mistake, if you could have taken, see, one company you get placed, no, then you are relieved, okay, then you are relieved that, okay, Accenture, you got placed. Now your target should be better than Accenture or some other company where the onboarding is guaranteed. But beginning only, if you are not getting placed, then it will put pressure on you and you will not be able to understand what should be your next step, and you will start doing the mistakes, right? And you will start, because of this pressure, no, you will start failing in all the exams which you will write. So the first job 2026 batch you have to get as soon as possible. Join the Telegram group and join the WhatsApp group, and let's see, we will together crack whatever job comes, or we will get placed very, very soon. Thank you, take care, and all the very, very best.